Good morning to all of you. Dear students, as we discussed about the Janpada earlier, so today we will discuss about Mahajanpada. So basically, many Janpads included and making the Mahajanpada. So around 25 years, 2500 years ago, some Janpadas become more important than others because of, you know, because of they were known as Mahajanpada. Okay, and कि Mahajanpada, it means like A is a Janpada and B is a Mahajanpada. So the B had a more powerful. He had more territory. He had more area. He had more soldiers. He had more troops. He had more elephants, horses, and chariots also. Okay, and which is a Janpad. So this ruler had a less uh, to the B Mahajanpada. Okay, so basically we will discuss about Mahajanpada. So most Mahajanpada had a capital city. So as I told you, na कि there is a Janpad which have a small area, and there is a hut found by the archaeologist. And in a Mahajanpada had a capital city. Many of these was fortified. It means देखो for why they uh, these were fortified because of they wanted to, and like कि if I have basically for imagine that I have a territory. Okay, so why I fortified this territory? For protection. Okay, for protection to from the other territories or other kingdom. Okay, so basically if you can see that there is a Kosla, Vaisali, uh, राजगृह मगध अंग okay avanti ujjain and hastinapur taksasila gandhar. So these are all the mahajanpada and janpada. Okay, so as I told you that forts were probably built because people were afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protection. It is also likely that some ruler wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building really large. So कि sometimes they were making made the building largely because of to show their prosperity, to show their powerful, and to show their rich and powerful also. So tall and impressive walls around their cities. Also in this way, the land and the people living inside the fortified area could be controlled more easily by the king. So as you know कि in this big walls, why they make the big walls? Because of it is a systematic way, because of the population, because of the lack of the bricks, lack of the stones to be required, and a great deal of planning. So thousands, if not lack of bricks or stones, had to be prepared. This is done meant enormous labor provided possibly by thousands of men, women, and children, and resources had to be found for all of this. So as you know that uh, in this area, like कि if the rajas or the king were keep the soldiers and keep their troops. So so basically they have given the payment in a regular way. So in a इन चीज़ों के बारे में we will discuss in a 8th chapter. Okay, so as you can see, this is the wall of Kosambi Fort. Okay, wait, this is the wall of Kosambi Fort. Okay, and this is a picture of remain of wall made of brick found near present day Allahabad. Okay, Uttar Pradesh में है, and part of it's probably built about 2500 years ago. So this is the fortification of Kosambi. Okay, and this is the fortification as you can see. ठीक है, So basically the new rajas now began maintaining armies. Soldiers were paid regular salaries and maintained by the king throughout the year. So as I told you that if a raja uh, keep the armies, okay, if the raja keep the armies, and so they have paying to basically paying in every month. So uh, they wanted that they as so they did not want to some payments were probably made using punch mark coins, and you will read about this 8th chapter. Okay, so so how they pay the soldiers uh, payment or salary, or how they the kings were uh, run their administration in a better way. Okay, or run their kingdom in a better way. So basically as a ruler of Mahajanpada were building huge forts, maintaining big armies, they need more resources. So they haven't resources, but they need more resources for maintaining these buildings, forts, and armies also. So instead of depending on occasional gifts brought by people, as in the case of the Raja of the Janpada, they started collecting regular taxes. So basically, as I told you that sometimes the ordinary people also give the gifts to the Raja. So but they want a regular income or regular payment to give or maintain their army, and need more resources. Okay, so we will discuss about the taxes. So taxes, there is taxes on crops were the most important. So in the ancient time, medieval time, and at the present time, there is no taxes on the crops, on pigeons. Okay, but in the ancient time and in medieval times, there is a taxes on crops were the most important. Because of this was because most people were farmers, and usually the tax was fixed at 1 upon 6 of the what were produced. Like if I have 100 kg barley, okay, yeah, wheat. Okay, so I have to give of 100 I have to give of 100 kg बिल्ली का 1 upon 6 part. Okay, so बिल्ली of 1 upon 6 part, it means हमें उसका 1 upon 6 part देना पड़ता था. So that this is for the tax. So there were taxes on craft persons as well. These could have been in the form of labor. So craft persons basically they have an money to give the basis of the taxes, but they were doing slavery. For example, a weaver or smith may have had a work for a day every month for the king. Okay, so basically if I am a labor, so कि I have money na to give to the king. So but my work is that in a month, in every month, I have done to work for a day every month for the king in their place. ठीक है. So herders were also expected to pay taxes in the form of animals and animal produce. Okay, so there were also tax on goods and were bought and sold through trade. So basically in the trade there is also taxes in goods and bought and sold. Okay, and hunters and gatherers also had a provide forest produce to the Raja. So basically these taxes in to the take by the Raja or the king. Okay, so this is the income of the palace or a king. Okay, so basically in this change in agriculture, so we will discuss about in the next video. So basically in this two topics, uh, we will know about the taxes and the Mahajanpada. So as I told you that जो Mahajanpada है, which is they have a big territory at their time, and a big territory है, so they have a army. Okay, so they have a army. Okay, so they have a army and they have a soldier, and soldier है तो उनको they have a give to आप रेगुलर पेमेंट. ओके, सो बेसिकली पेमेंट विच इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ टैक्स. ठीक है. अब टैक्स किस किस में? एक तो क्रॉप में विच इज़ द 1/6 पार्ट. ओके. लेबर विच है द डूइंग वर्क इन एवरी मंथ of on one day, and herders and animals which is the produce जो वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. एंड लास्ट वन जो ट्रेडर्स हैं दे हैव व्हाट दे हैड what they had sold or bought good and things. Okay. And hunter and gatherers which have they have found in the jungle. Okay, so ये सब चीज़ें हैं. So we will meet in a next video. We will discuss the changes in agriculture in a next video. Okay, so goodbye, have a good day.